Hello, hello. How are we doing today, guys?
What's up?
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday. We got the Blue Guardian merch going here.
Oh yeah,
Let's go.
5K subs. We'll just give away Blue Guardian merch.
Yes.
Give away t-shirts.
Give away t-shirts. Who likes to have one? Happy New Month.
Happy New Month. Yeah. December, last month. So we got to go hard for this month because really you only have 2 weeks of trading in this month. You have the first and the second. The third and the fourth weeks are very low in volume.
Although, last year, it was pretty good. I remember putting a trade in on the 26th.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't even remember.
Last year was pretty good at the end of the year, but that's not guaranteed because last year was, of course, new president, so that's different.
Yeah, this is going to be Trump's second year.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys trade my model, then today, London gave me very good setup. We took out the low, got the high, got the longs on the upside. This was like a very quick trade. I think this happened at like 2:30 a.m. So very quick today. I mean, you're just gonna have to be very quick in longing as soon as we closed above there, and then you just TP like that. Today, I would like a run of this low. Like if I had to pick, like something like this, you know. If I had to. Why is there 2 GuardianTV lives, bro? Is that you? I can't be you, bro. I was like, why is Gideon speaking to himself? I was like, what?
Alright, what's there in gold?
Gold? I think gold shorts. My model already played out though on gold. If you guys are trading it, this happened way too quick. Where is it? Yeah, we just took out the high right there, poked above it, and then sold off. I think gold goes lower though, maybe until this low. That would be a nice area in this market. But NQ, I'm mainly looking for this. Which place to sell gold? I think you missed it.
Already played out.
Yeah,
it's
like
already run to the lows, so
I wouldn't try and trade that. Maybe NQ though. You can get a trade in on NQ. We run the high, true drop lower. I think that would be the most ideal. Scenarios out today. Like, there's no way we leave this low. If we leave this low, I would be surprised. This is the low coming out from midnight open, I think. So this low should go. In theory.
Will be nice and target for your trade if we have some price action above that.
Yeah, exactly. I think we just poke above. There's no M15 gap. Oh yeah, there's an M15 gap right here as well. Fill in this gap and then drop off. I don't want a long unless we take out this low. So initially the only thing I like is the downside.
Short low.
Yeah. If we just run higher, then that's crazy.
Gideon, say it. I dare you to say it.
Don't say it, bro. You're gonna get banned. You don't want to get banned.
You cannot.
It'll happen. No, I don't think I can ban you. I don't have that much power.
He can ban you.
Yeah, true. He has the power to ban me.
Imagine just all of a sudden there's like an empty screen above me.
There's no streamer anymore, bro. What's your
Tell me
first plan? This is my plan on the screen. I'm only looking for shorts. I don't want to buy this market. So if we trade higher to go lower, that's ideal. I mean, if we just zoom off higher, then we zoomed off higher. But I do want to just see the downside play. It looks the most ideal anyway.
I would not like to see it like move even higher now, like before open. I don't like to short before open.
My bias is probably a lot different to like most people on YouTube. Like I know a lot of people analyze the daily, weekly, 4-hour, whatever. I don't really look at any of that, to be honest, every single day, because I think it's irrelevant. If you're trading on the lower time frame, the 1 minute or the 5 minute, looking at the daily every single day, it's really not going to help. So if you look at the daily, it would only be later in the week. So like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, instead of Monday and Friday, right? So mainly I'm just looking at my ranges, so my time ranges, this one from 8.12 to 9.12. If we run the high, then I'm bearish to this low, and then I'm basically looking at these failure swings down here as like targets. So in terms of bias building, I don't focus on too much, because if you start looking at too much, then your brain is going to find it difficult to make a decision.
I mean, initially, if you look at the daily now and you look at it every single day, that would now probably screw you up, because actually on the lower time frame we're looking for the lows, but if you look at the daily, then it would tell you to go long, but you know that the daily is way too far away, so that will probably take place later in the week, where we'll maybe like retarget the high of this day. But on the lower time frame we want to short right now, so that can make you miss some trades.
What did you write at the top of the box?
You're looking for... Oh,
it just shows the points of how much it's moved. Hammer trade. Welcome.
Are we gonna pull out the hammer today again?
We could do, actually. Might have to.
Not yet.
Yeah,
you can also turn it. You can also turn it so you hit it like this.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is... Wait, like that?
Yeah, but okay. But yeah, but you have to spam it like this.
Oh, okay,
and it hammers it down like that, you know.
I'm gonna have to wait for that power.
Yeah. With great power comes great responsibility. We know the quote from Spider-Man.
What to focus on then? Can you elaborate? Yeah, just focus on my time-based ranges. I mean, you would probably need an understanding more of my way I view the charts. But just focus on the ranges. They build up your bias, failure swings, and then obviously OBs and fair value gaps. That's like the most important. Like this is a good example. We had a long today. We run the low. This first candle closes above the second one. So this shows us that it wants to trade higher. It's worth a long from here to the high. So that's like in a nutshell what I'm looking at. So even today, my bias is if we run the high, lower. I couldn't care less if it just simply pushed to the upside, because number one, I'm not going to buy as it's pushing higher anyway. So I'm just gonna have to wait on it.
We're in the 15-minute gap.
Yeah, I'm hoping we just run again and then just drop off from that gap. Like this 15-minute candle, I don't want to see a body really close into there. If we get the body
at least
closed,
below the
then
50% of it, because otherwise you don't know what happens. I mean, there is a 5-minute gap below, above it, but I mean, you would like to see a 15-minute hold and not
yeah, true.
not a 5. Plus, there's 3 minutes until the body closes. Pretty, it's pretty close now.
Looks like ES is strong as well off the open. Just gonna have to see what other confluences are you looking for. Would you always take a trade once? So like a change in delivery, basically you're just anticipating the full delivery to shift. So the 3 candle rotation that I told you is just a confirmation that the market's fully going to shift its delivery. So 1, 2, 3, the market fails to close below this here, so it expands higher until a body closes below here, then it shoots to the downside, right? So now we expect a full run lower. So you don't really need it, it's just a confirmation. So if you're bullish, you can anticipate the candle to expand in that direction, so it'll save you from missing a few trades as well. Hope we don't just run higher from here.
No, we got 2 minutes until the body close, which looks quite ugly now, to be fair, because it closes now exactly the same with the 5 minutes. So you have a high chance that the 5 minute will close above as well.
There's this close candle.
Or
this is the only last.
Or take the 30-minute chart.
30-minute? Never watched that.
Would make sense.
Oh yeah, potentially actually.
Would make sense. Because we still got 15 minutes or 16 minutes until that close.
Yeah.
It doesn't look very clean, but I mean, it is there.
There's still potential.
If you see a huge wick, if you see a huge down movement in the next 15 minutes, then the 30-minute gap still held, which would lead to more downwards price action. Although we do have equal highs on 25,333.
Yeah, like, to be honest, it's like stuck within a range actually. So from the high to the low. But if I had to pick either side, I would want to see the lows get taken or the high. Or if we take the high to the low, I don't know how to play this, to be honest. It would just depend on the open.
Is it okay to trade on Mondays? Yeah, it's totally okay to trade on Mondays.
Yeah, you can pretty much trade every single day if you wanted. What else is an A+ setup? Mainly the RTH gap. So like say for example, I'm bullish. I would look for a regular trading hours gap as well to be bullish. So this is the overnight gap from regular trading hours. Say the range is here. If we run out the low, I want to see a longs into there. So initially we take out the low, we have the liquidity here, and we have the regular trading hours gap there as well.
Ugly 15-minute close. It's a pretty bullish candle. Usually in situations like this, I would look at for value gaps that are ultimately before the range low that should hold in order to move up. And if that one breaks, like the one from 25,263 on the 2 minute, that will be for me a gap that if it breaks, we go to the low. If it holds, we might still go up.
Yeah,
because
we have both
even if
of these.
even if you have a down close candle now on the 15-minute, it could still just be an order block to move up.
Yeah.
Because the 5-minute and the 15-minute both closed above. So
yeah, initially I would
not be surprised to move up from here.
Yeah. If we do run higher, then I don't know what I'd want to play from here. Then I might not even look for anything.
No.
Because initially I just wanted this, a nice poke above for us to look lower. I mean, if it goes higher, then I wouldn't be opposed to looking for those lows. Something like that.
The only thing I'm looking at now is that you got quite a bit liquidity above. Still got the trend line liquidity as well.
Yeah, I don't think they're
Like
an SMT either.
These highs that close below each other.
Oh, we actually have an SMT here.
We do have an SMT, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Maybe this SMT is enough.
Mean something. Yeah.
Yeah, because this high didn't run it. So maybe this SMT is enough to keep it weak. If it is weak, then I don't know, it would be pretty cool. I think someone, I mean, yeah, but again, you can't really trust everyone to just hop on the stage.
True.
Because someone will just say something stupid. What's my bias on ES? The same
Or
thing
something
on...
that would get us banned, you know. There are certain rules to having streams.
Yeah, my bias is the same as NQ. I just want to see these lows go. I would be surprised if they left these, to be honest.
I mean,
oh, we held up
lower. Yeah.
This OB. Yeah, we should just tank, to be honest.
That's what
Did
I
we run the
look
high?
for. No, we did not run the high, only the SMT.
Well, we did run the high.
Did we run the high?
M1. Yeah.
Oh, on M1, yeah.
Yeah. M5's glitching. We should definitely have the run lower then. We should sell off. Hoping into the open. Had to squint to look at that. I didn't see it.
Usually it's not enough to be fair. If you have to squint for something, it's not obvious enough.
Yeah. No, on the M1 it was, but on the M5,
very...
like, if you go on the M5, you can somewhat just squint and see there's a tiny SMT that ran the high. Just a tiny one. Dude,
True,
I was gonna run it.
Wow.
Alright, there's no way we don't drop off.
Not particularly a good sign for NQ and ES.
It's not, but I don't see these lows holding. Please just go. Yo, Joe, you're awake. We were so early to the shorts this morning. Because I was with Joe, I was speaking with him this morning. I was like, there's no way we don't sell off an NQ. He fell asleep and like an hour later we sold off. I was like,
no way.
Yeah. We should sell off right now, though. Chill background song. Thanks, I made it myself.
Rauf is DJ now as well.
Yeah, I picked
Starting
up
a whole new career.
Yeah. Decided to DJ.
His first concert is in December.
Yeah, if you guys
So,
want
yeah.
to come, you can.
I mean, yeah. I hope so. We can. We better.
But you got to pay full price for the tickets. You know, making a living as a DJ is quite hard. So
Right, you're gonna
full
make me
price,
pay double.
sorry, guys. If you can
Oh,
pay
good.
double, yeah, that would be great. Just to support small people, it would be great. Up and coming DJs, DJ
It's gonna be
traders.
additional tax, financial support.
Yeah,
Makes sense. I don't get why other DJs are not doing that.
you know what I would love into the open? Just one single candle that just goes like this.
No.
Dies.
Oh, like dying. Oh, I thought you meant up and then dying.
Oh no, no. I want to see lower.
Aye. Curious what open is gonna do.
Me too. I'm hoping the open just tanks it. Yeah, I'll come to Central Asia. I would love for this to be just high of day. Potentially. I'm kind of bullish on the week though. I think maybe
Yeah.
like a low of the week within the gap or something would be quite the move. Oh yes, it's selling off.
Now we're
So-
at the gap, what I was talking about.
Yeah. If it gets below this, we should go. If we run higher, I have no words. The only words I have is it should go lower. As long as ES stays weak, it should take it. Well, minimum to the low of 25,235. Minimums to there. I think would be great. Oh, look at Dow. Holy, this and the way Dow's moving right now, NQ should be moving like this.
Here we got 24 candle. Wow, yeah. That's a huge
That's
sell-off.
crazy. Dow
I
actually has the SMT as well at these
Yeah.
highs.
I mean, on YM, there's still enough lows to be taken out, you know? You
Yeah,
got
the
these
thing is,
trend line liquidity. The thing is, I just don't know what happens after YM takes out those lows.
yeah, that's the only
That's the whole issue.
I think they should all just die. Just send it lower.
Now we have the gap that I was talking about. If we close below this, I'm sure we go to the
These
range
lows.
low. Yeah.
Yeah. Should be able to get that.
There's just still 10 seconds to close, so everything can still happen. Realistically, we can still go up. That's one ugly close on a 2-minute.
Oh, yeah. Bro, this should all go. What? There's no way we hold this. No
you know how
way.
mean NQ sometimes moves, right? I mean,
yeah, true.
we're all traders here. We've all seen NQ.
Yeah, I think it might just like push up again, then just blast through when no one's in a position.
Yeah.
I think it'll do that.
Or just like the past weeks where we just consolidate until everyone lost their capital, and then it's time. Then it's
to
time
finally
to sell
move. Gold's actually still stuck around here. I don't know how I would like to play gold. Maybe just downside. I think like 4,259 is what I would like to play on gold.
I'm seeing a comment that you're gonna be having a concert outside of Wall Street. Is that true?
Oh yeah, I'm not allowed to near Wall Street actually.
Oh,
they banned me because of just the way I trade the markets. They were like, nah.
Yeah.
You're not allowed anywhere near.
Because you use them as liquidity, right? That's
that's right. Exactly.
Right.
Like these live streams, they don't like at all because they know every single time we enter with 5 micros collectively, it really just shakes up the market.
I wouldn't be too surprised if NQ goes up before it goes down. Especially with this price action, if you look now.
I hope it doesn't.
Well,
I'm
not talking about hoping here, I'm just talking about facts.
Oh, Dow's already ran the lows. These markets are actually still out of sync. NQ and ES, that is. Sorry, NQ, ES, and Dow. I wonder if they'll still be like this in the new year. This is the first year I've seen them like this too.
Yeah, exactly.
They're completely out of sync. Right,
what do you guys think of the background music?
I think it's quite catchy.
But actually, more important question, what do you guys think of this? A nice t-shirt.
Oh yeah,
that's right.
Huge giveaway for 5K subs.
That's right.
Please send it.
Yeah, we're running.
There's no way this 930 candle doesn't take out these lows.
No.
If it doesn't, then I'm just wrong. Holy Dow, bro.
Oh, whoa.
Did you see that?
I saw that the same moment. That's why I said whoa.
That thing is tanking.
No. I do not want to see that right now. That should be NQ right there. That's how NQ moved last year.
Yeah, true.
Not YM.
Well, let's see.
That's why we get this move up now, because YM has taken out the lows.
We actually have a bullish gap, so it can still trade higher from RTH. We're just gonna have to see what it does.
I told you about the 2-minute gap if it holds. Everyone heard me say this time. It's still holding.
Oh yeah. Holding around 50%.
Yeah. I told you about the gap.
Yeah. That's the main one. They has to get below.
Yeah.
Close below it and then it should tank.
Everything above this doesn't even matter to me. This one still holds.
What is ES? Oh, ES is holding it up.
Yeah.
Even Dow. Let's see how this candle closes. YM. Dude, this thing's gone.
Oh, this is just a mean ass market, you know.
Yeah, we're gonna have to see what it does right now. Let's see if it takes these lows.
Let's see. Still gotta.
It has to push off aggressively from here for me, I think,
Yeah.
to tank it. Yeah, like this, just drop off.
Yeah, that's the
Go,
move we
go,
wanna see.
go. Yes.
That's the move we want to see. Now you got to close below the 2-minute gap.
Yeah, just want to see its tank from here. I don't see why we're still...
No, we'll tank from here. Definitely tank from here. Now we did take out low though. One low. Which is the
Yeah.
range low, by the way.
Oh yeah, I think the model is complete, right?
Yeah.
So I mean, if you guys did TP, it's a good area to TP. We got the high and the low. 4 delivery shifts. Held up this gap. The M1 looks very choppy, so don't know what he wants to do from here. But at least we got the range playing out anyway.
Range did play out. And I told you which gap needed to be broken.
Yeah. Is it still holding the 2-minute? Just closed below, but he can do whatever from here, I guess. Did you take that, Joe? I thought you might have taken those shorts. But yeah, guys, if you trade my model, then the range has already been complete. We got the high and the low, so that was a TP. I still like a run at these lows though, like down here, like 25,193. Don't know how it's gonna get there for this minute. Maybe once you run this.
For a bit.
Yeah.
At least we need to take out some high because we just took out a low. So we have to trade into some high to be taking lows.
Yeah. Dow can actually just run all of these. Maybe keep these guys weak. M15 OB. So at this point, because my strategy already played out, I don't have much to work on. Maybe waiting for one side of this to get taken. Maybe that high, or that SMT is enough to hold it. We run this high and then get the downside. But if it wants a downside, it's gonna have to close pretty aggressive back within this range. Like this whole candle that we pushed higher, we need a down close to close below like 50%. Then I'll be like, oh, it just wants to run the high, get the lows, go on about its move lower. Oh, you closed late? Damn, where did you get out? Here? Like 24,262. And we also have this gap still on the RTH, so it can actually run higher. It would make sense if it did run higher, but I see nowhere for it to run higher from. That makes sense.
Yeah, that's the thing.
At least you got a bit of profit from there.
At least a 1-to-1.
Yeah, squeeze out something. Let's see. No, gold's going. I mean, if you guys are holding gold shorts, then all of these lows should get taken. I wouldn't see why they wouldn't. Squeezing blood.
Squeeze him. We got the equal highs there.
Yeah, I mean, I might just want to run back to this high, but if it does, I don't have anything. Because even if we got the longs, I would have liked the longs from down here, not there.
It's pretty crazy how accurate the range low is, to be fair.
Yeah, we got the highs and the lows.
Look at it. Yeah. Well, it's like, if you look at what happened after running the lows, that's crazy.
Yeah.
It's just insane. Yeah, honestly.
So there you go. If you guys trade my model, you should be eating today on a Monday. I mean, Mondays are really good for this model anyway.
You should not be eating dry bread today.
Nah, yeah.
You should be on some feast tonight.
You should be passing all of your evals.
Full port on that.
Oh, we have PMI. Yeah. I think it's like 9:45, right?
Oh, right. So it's on 5 minutes.
I think so. I forgot. It's gonna tank it, isn't it?
I mean, I don't know if we got it. Oh, we do have an SMT again.
Oh, we do.
But, like, look at YM now. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, YM should easily get these highs I was looking at. YM's the one that's, like, a lot more algorithmic. And, like, with my ranges, it'll always run to the highs and lows. NQ, I mean, I would just still like to run to these lows without getting this high, and we just held the SMT.
I mean, NQ initially is just NQ, you know. I mean, got nothing to say about that.
W day. Nice. Did you take something? Right, this should tank.
Yeah.
If we don't, then we're a difficult market, but it should go.
Then the market is wrong, not us.
Yeah. Closing below this or close, getting back below this opening price should be enough. ES would have to also weaken up for that to happen.
I would like to see a reverse on the YM as well, but doesn't look like that quite yet.
No, I think they're trading in two opposite directions.
Yeah, now we're tanking.
Alright, there we go, finally. Hopefully we can get this final low. And then my job here is done for you guys. I didn't like this delivery though. Coming out on... No. Not clean enough for my money. Just want the last low. No, I'm not in a short. It should get this low, but it's not clean enough for me to try and risk it in this. It's too wicky.
Yeah.
And I'm
Look at that
more
wick
of
on
an
the current M1. That's crazy. Crazy wick.
Yeah. But like, once it starts running, it should run pretty aggressively to these lows. I'm advocate for moving to break even. So even if I shorted, I'd have to move to break even, and then it'll most likely take my break even at a point, then run. So I don't want to hold on to that. Just go through. You passed phase 1. Let's go. Now you should just move on to futures, bro.
Damn, at phase 1. It's been forever since I did a phase 1.
Yeah, you gotta move on to futures, then you're funded.
This is way too wicky for my comfort. Yes, is still holding that gap.
Yeah, it should go. I mean, these lows should go.
YM just continues to push higher.
Oh, there we go. We're tanking.
There we go. This is the move that I would have liked to see already. This should have happened like all in one move.
Yeah.
I just think that the manipulation didn't look quite manipulative enough in that sense. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Now the final low. Got a gap above that as well. Should be quite interesting to see that hit. So we just did take out that low by just a few ticks.
Daily there. Come on.
I mean, this is not... You're not gonna see this move lower like that.
Yeah, this is the price.
Way too quick of a move.
Yeah, so whoever asked me if I'm short, this is the main reason why I'm not short. I can see what it's trying to do. I just don't want to put anything on the table for it.
That's crazy, this reversal. Do you ever look at the 30-second?
No.
Okay, look on the 30-second reversal. That's a crazy reversal.
I don't think I have 30-second data.
Oh.
I was like, I don't even need that. Come on. I think it's mainly ES that's holding this up.
Yeah. ES is too strong right now to run. I mean, we still got the equals, so that's how strong equal highs sometimes are, you know. Nah, this is a crazy reversal. Ah, it's on PPI as well, no?
I think it's at 10.
Oh, 10, okay. Makes sense then.
Well, this is pretty choppy, actually.
Yeah, very. This is not something you want to see.
Average New York Open.
Mm-hmm.
I took the scalp from 24, 25, 246. Nice, Joe.
Nice one.
Yo, Joe, check the Discord. Maybe just break down that short.
Music. You know?
Yeah. Holy crazy reversal.
Look, if you would see the 30-second right now, that's a crazy reversal on the bottom.
Like that.
I'm gonna text it to you. Wait.
But yeah, guys, today this was my bias. Running the highs, getting the lows. Somewhat got it, just the worst delivery possible. This is an average New York session.
Nowadays, yes. Actually. Look at your WhatsApp.
Alright, man.
Look at that V shape. I'm like, yo. that's textbook right there.
Dude, this market's
I
crazy.
just wished to see that lower.
Crazy market. Too quick to even try anything either.
Yeah. Way too.
Guess we're gonna have to see what the news does, but
now you see that we take out the high again and then just go down. We're just taking out highs and lows, highs and lows. It's the only thing we're doing.
Yeah. It's an average New York session.
Yeah. I would say so.
Average trader after losing money. What is the average trader after losing money? Do you rely on open float liquidity? No. I don't.
I don't get it.
It's just a teaching from ICT.
Ah.
This is still like this.
I don't like this price action right now.
They don't trade because they don't have money. What? Well, that was my first New York session. Welcome to the most volatile period within the market. Trading with the brightest minds across the world too.
Exactly. I like to say that. I like that one. Let's keep that one. Let's change the name of the streams. Get the chance to trade with the brightest. What did you say? Brightest minds of the market. That's a good one. We'll keep that one in.
That's not us though. That's the people at the floors. I mean, it can be us. No, it can be us. Yeah. No. It's us, Fid. Don't worry. Guys, it's us, right? It's us. It could be the hammer strategy. It could. It's a shame this is what we got out in New York, though.
It's already 51.
Yeah. I missed the longs from these lows to the highs, though. This morning, and I missed these shorts.
I mean, this was too quick to move, to be fair. I mean, the 2 minute, yeah, okay, but
I mean, I didn't miss them. I was like,
you
more
know,
like, I don't want to
you don't want to risk
position
it.
in.
Yeah. Yeah, Gideon, don't worry, you're one up on two.
No, it looks like we just got to wait on this news.
Mm-hmm.
Unless you took a long. I don't know where you got in, but if you took a long, then these highs should go. I just don't know how and what. I would have loved it from these lows, though, but
I mean,
I guess I can't have everything.
YM, though. That's crazy how that pair moves. Honestly.
Yeah.
It's just nuts.
That was crazy.
We took the equal highs now. That is something that I wanted to see going. Now I don't know what happens. Yeah. I mean,
No, mine.
thank you. Come on, it's thank you.
Yeah, that's literally all I had. These lows for today for you guys. I can't believe we left them.
Sometimes
Maybe
it'd
something
be
later
like
in the
that.
week. I know, because even if we wanted the longs, I wanted these lows to go.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
That would have made more sense than what we're doing now.
That would have enticed me into a position. Maybe if we get these highs for a run lower. Potential.
Potentially, yeah.
Damn, yes, got the highs. I mean,
Yeah.
at least they're all trading in sync.
Actually,
Out of here.
YM is the only one that took all the lows. So actually, YM moved the cleanest today. Just no entry. Not for me, at least. Just like. I think YM is the one that's pulling everything up right now, though.
Yeah. Oh, right. So we just got these highs. Now things get interesting. But I don't want to.
Now it's interesting what's going to happen.
Yeah. Because we got the 4-hour high. Just have to see.
You want to see the close, though, on the 4-hour.
And big, you saw my reel? Yeah, I think that was not today. Are we still just pushing? When the market goes up, it's pretty boring, but when it drops,
I feel like low-key, I feel like Michael Burry when I short the market.
Oh, he might have squared off his shorts actually.
Really?
He might have,
No.
because I have a feeling we have the upside.
Not yet, no.
Playing both sides? Nah, today I was bearish, to be honest with you. I wasn't a bull today.
On a bull.
I just wanted those highs to the lows, and then if I became a bull, I would have became a bull from these lows. To me, I just feel like this is no man's land trying to long, but if you long, then number one, was it a part of your strategy?
Probably not. I mean, unless if you trade heavily on SMTs, though, then it might be part of strategy.
Yeah.
I know some people that would have taken that long. We both know him.
He might have taken it actually.
Yeah. I'm like
that trade.
Where's my phone? Oh, here. I would. I'm not gonna say that.
Have I got anything? No, not for today. I mean, I missed the longs this morning from the range low to the high, and then once we got the high today, I was just looking for the downside, but too choppy for me to get the lows. Honestly.
Okay, I got the answer right here. Yes, he did. I was gonna say I'm willing to bet money on it. Yeah. It happened.
Nah, it's not for me.
Not for me either.
I'm hoping if we run these highs, we can get the run to the downside maybe later on in the day. Maybe for the news.
Mm-hmm.
That would be beautiful,
that's in 2 minutes, actually.
Oh, yeah.
2
Get
minutes.
the high and then
pong to the
get
low.
the lows. What are you guys spamming, bro? Right, the word's not even
spamming.
W or L. The word's gonna be... What should the word be? If you spam W or L, then you don't get to win the account. You're cooked. You just cooked yourself.
What's the word gonna be?
What should the word be? The word should be NQ. Let's do NQ.
You have to spell it right. You have to spell
NQ right.
NQ.
Nah, if you spam W's or L, you don't get an account. You cooked. You did it to yourself. You're gonna have to learn the hard way.
NQ. Oh, that one was good actually. All right, pick one. Randomly. Here we got the news actually.
I got Mr. KV. It's one. Oh yeah, we got the news.
Gideon, you got that one? I'm gonna pull the next one, which is TKM. Congratulations, guys, with your giveaway accounts.
All right, nice.
TKM.
All right, congrats to the winners. We'll be live again on Wednesday. Unfortunately, today, I mean, we didn't get the final lows. That's all we wanted out of today. Get the highs, run to the lows.
Model did pay out though.
Yeah, if you trade my model, then you should have made money both today in London and in New York. But if you're watching the rest of today, I'm not going to buy this market up here. If we start to close below some of these gaps after taking this high, maybe I'll try a downside play, but that would be around later in the day. But yeah, enjoy the rest of your day. Don't do anything stupid, and we'll speak to you guys on Wednesday.
See you
Take it easy,
guys.
guys.